This video is designed to demonstrate how to set up an automated peritoneal dialysis machine. There are two types of dialysis, hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. APD is a manual dialysis which needs to change during daytime, and APD uses the machine to do a dialysis at nighttime. The supplies you will need to setting up the machine are a cassette, alcohol wipes, a bottle of hand gel, tape, minicap, a bucket, a dialysis machine, and a modem. Here are 3 bags of peritoneal dialysis solutions. In order to decide which bags to use, it's based on the blood pressure. So always remember, if the systolic blood pressure is less than 120, you will need 2 bags of the yellow, which has 1.5% of glucose. If the systolic blood pressure is between 120 and 140, you will need a yellow bag plus a green bag, which has 2.5% of glucose. And if the systolic blood pressure is more than 140, you will need 2 bags of the green one. Last bag is the purple bag, which has 2.5 liters with 7.5% of extra new. For example, my patient weighs 61 kilograms and the blood pressure is 134/61. What are the solutions that are going to be used? Keep that in mind and let's start. Step 1. Washing your hands with soap and water. Then wipe the machine and the extra fill where the bags are placed. Step 2. Open 3 dialysis solution bags. The yellow bag is usually placed on the machine, which warms up the solution before going to the body. Then we place the green and the purple. Step 3. Enter the weight and the blood pressure. All the results will be sent to the system through the black modem on the wall. Now it will ask you to enter the blood pressure. It was 134/61. Step number 4. Enter which solutions are using. It will ask you to enter the night concentration number 1, which is the bag on the machine. So we have the yellow is 1.5. The night concentration number 2, we are using the green one, so we put it in 2.5. The last field concentration is always the purple bag, so we press enter, extra new, enter, and the red button. Now we are going to wait until it says press go to start, and we press the green button. Now we're going to open the cassette and close all 6 clamps. It is recommended that we should count to make sure all clamps are closed. Then we place it outside the door and to make sure it is secure, and then we heard a click. Move the handle up to open the door, and then we put the pumping part inside. It will pump the solution from all the bags into the bag on the machine. Now press green for self-testing. We're going to look at the order of the tubes. We start from the right to left. So the first line is drain line. We're going to put it in the bucket and tape it down. Step number 6. Connect the bags and open the clamps. We're going to wash our hands with soap and water. The second line from right to left has the red clamp, which will connect to the bag on the machine. We need to gel our hand first. One hand will hold the tube and other hand twist and pull the cap off. So same with the bag. So one hand holds the tube and other hand pulls out the cap. Then we connect those by twisting it in. Then we breaking the seal and opening the clamp. To connect the second bag, we'll need to gel our hands again and repeat the same technique. Now we'll connect the bag and the tube together, and then we'll break the seal and open the clamp. We'll repeat the same technique to connect the purple bag, which always connect to the blue clamp. Therefore, we'll skip the white clamp. Now we connect to the bag, break the seal, and open the clamp. The last line is patient line, which needs to be opened. Then press the green button for priming. Then it's time for you to double check on the line, and you're ready to connect after 6 to 7 minute priming.